Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook story in Canva. Facebook story is a very popular format in Facebook. It give us a lot of reach if we regularly posting Facebook stories. You can use this skill to grow your own Facebook page or profile, or you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. So let's go to Fiverr and check if there is demand for this skill or not. So I am going to Fiverr. If you don't know Fiverr is a freelancing platform, one of the top freelancing platform where you can sell your skills. So uh, here I write Facebook story, and it show me 675 services, means only 675 freelancers providing this service, and it is a very low competition niche. You can easily rank on the first page. So you can see I will make Instagram stories and Facebook ad videos, and I will create animated GIF stickers for Instagram stories, Facebook, and Jiffy. And you can see it complete 1k plus 5-star reviews, 12 5-star reviews, 621 5-star reviews. So you can see the demand of this gig is very high. So uh, let's go to Canva, and I will show you how you can easily create in some simple steps to create Facebook story, so and sell this skill on Fiverr and charge good amount of money like them. He starts from $50 and $35, $5. So you can also charge this money, and it will just take 4 to 5 minutes. So I write here Facebook story, and it provides me template of Facebook story. So Facebook story template is 1080 by 920. I click on this, it is loading. So it provides me different Facebook story templates. So I want to create a blank Facebook story, and it will appear in new window, and it will take some time. It take time according to the internet speed. So let's wait for some seconds for the page to load on. So it is loading. So I want to create story on beauty niche, so I write here beauty, and it gives us different templates of beauty. So I like this one. Yeah, this is a good creative. So we can just easily change and customize this template. So first of all, I would like to change the image. I delete the image, and this is a frame in which we can put some other image, like I write here beauty, and I choose this image and drag it here. So this image looks good. uh, I want to change the color. Yeah, that's a good color. I want to change the font style, so I click on there and choose some bold font like this. Yeah, that's look good. And also change this. After that, I would like to bold this text, and that's it. Here I can give, here I can give 60% discount. And again export the photo. So that's it. And you can see in very few steps, it hardly take 1 to 2 minutes to create this beautiful story. So you can charge $50, $100 from this service from your clients on Fiverr, freelancing platforms, even on Facebook, LinkedIn. So keep practicing on this skill. This skill is a good skill to work on. So that's it for today. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they also learn the skills and earn money online. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.